Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered the unboxing of this BLIoT R40A gateway. So this gateway is brought to you by the Augmetic Technologies Private Limited, and they are the official distributor of this BLIoT products in India. You can buy R40A gateway, you can buy R10A gateway, you can buy BL102 PLC gateway from their website, or you can directly call them on their salesperson number. Okay, so now in this video we will see how we can open the configuration page of this R40A gateway in the browser, so we can configure this gateway as per our requirement. And you can see here we have 3 LAN port available here. Okay, so you can plug your LAN cable in any of the 3 LAN port and it will allow you to open the configuration page of this gateway. So here is my browser open. I can type IP address 192.168.3.1 because this is the default IP address of this R40A gateway. So if I hit enter here, then you will see the configuration page is open. Now the default username is admin. Okay, and there is no default password. As you can see here, please enter your username. The default is admin and password is no password by default. So just you have to write admin and then you have to press login to land to the configuration page of R40A gateway. So this configuration page looks similar to R10A gateway. Okay, so this gateway has some additional functionality which R10A industrial 4G router doesn't have. Okay, so we will see those functionalities in the future videos. And this gateway is also capable to communicate with Modbus TCP or Modbus serial devices. This gateway is also capable to communicate with any MQTT cloud. This gateway is also capable with the operation and control features. We have seen these features in the R10A gateway. You can also connect your this gateway with a VPN. You can also add remote IO. It is also having, you can see here DO1, DO2. Okay, so it is having the digital outputs and it is having the digital inputs as well. Okay, you can see here DI1 and DI2. So this gateway is equipped with the digital inputs and outputs, so you can use that. Okay, we will see all those things in the future videos. This video is only about how to launch the default web page or default configuration page of this R40A gateway. And the default IP address of this R40A gateway is 192.168.3.1. You can plug your LAN cable in any of the LAN port. So if I open my command prompt here, and if I try to ping this gateway 192.168.3.1, and yeah, you can see we are getting ping. Okay, now if I plug my LAN cable in any other port, so suppose in the LAN 1, okay, you will get ping here again. So if I remove the LAN cable from here, you will not get any ping here. You will get request timeout. Okay, now if I plug my LAN cable in the LAN 2 port, okay, you will get ping here. So all this 3 LAN gateway has a default IP of 192.168.3.1. You can use any of the LAN port to communicate with this gateway. I mean, you can use any of the LAN port to open the configuration page of this gateway and you can configure your gateway. Okay, so this gateway is brought to you by the Augmetic Technologies Private Limited. You can see the website detail and the salesperson number on the screen, as well as you will find that in the description of this video. Just check out their website. You can buy other BLIoT products on their website. Also, they are the manufacturer of Modbus IO cards, so you can also buy Modbus input-output cards from their website, or directly you can call them on their salesperson number. Okay, so we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.